control using my PC or Bluetooth or any data communication source. In this project we use 5 servo motors MG996 for each finger. We used a PLA 3D printed PVC material for making a 3D parts. We use a fish file for movement finger used with motor. So now we run this project. We data send through our PC using Arduino serial monitor. We send data in. I use in Pro Mini, Arduino Pro Mini, with use FTDI serial port converter and use with laptop. First of all, we send one command and then move one finger. Send one, thumb close, and second send two, open thumb. So next first finger we send with 3, close the finger and send 4, open this finger. Next we send 5, send 6, close, 7, 8. So next small finger 9 and send 0 to open small finger. So let we work together all the fingers. So send data through PC. O, small o, small c, this mean close overhand. So this hand overhand is close, and then we send O, this mean overhand is all fingers open. C for close, O for open. So guys, this is our today project, 3D printing robotic hand control using our Arduino or Bluetooth or any sending module for serial data. Thanks for watching QKZee Technologies. Take care. Bye.